Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So in this video we are going to discuss exercise 1.2 question number 2. Here is the question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of the two numbers. So according to this question, we need to prove or we need to verify the answer of product of LCM into LCM and HCF equal to product of the two numbers. So first of all we have to find out the LCM and HCF of these two numbers, and after that we have to verify by putting the values of LCM and HCF and the product of two numbers. That means left hand side equal to right hand side, we have to verify it, right? So a question or mote prothom ki koribo lagibo, etu question dia ase. So a question to ami LCM aru HCF to ulai lobo lagibo, tar pisot ki korim LCM into HCF value to put kori answer to left hand side equal to right hand side verified koribo lagibo. So first house ma bokhon gan LCM aru HCF different gan honai question ni fry ampai value ko be put khalam na nei verified khalam gan je left side ni answer jang aru right side ni answer jang same mannangan. So let's start the solution. So here is the solution. Question number 2.1. Solution. Given 26 and 91. So first we have to prime factorize it. 26 to ami agot factorize korilom. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, again 13 1 is 13. So no need to write this one. So 26 can be written as 2 into 13. Next is 91. So we have to first factorize it. 91, it will goes by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, again 13 1 is 13. So 91 can be written as 7 into 13. No need to write 1. It to factorize kori ami iman palu. 91 to factorize korle iman pam. So it 26 to ita ki likhibo pare 2 into 13, 91 to ki likhibo pare 7 into 13. Factorize khalam khongna nei di banbai. Now we have to find out the LCM, right? So LCM equal to, first we have to see the common one and then uncommon one. That means what is common in these two numbers? 13, right? So LCM is 2 into 7 into 13, right? প্ৰথম আমি কি লিখিম আনকমন টু লিখিম এই দুটা নম্বৰৰ আনকমন হয় 2 আৰু 7 মানে সেম নহয় সেম টু কি হয় 13 সো আনকমন টু আগত লিখিম পিছত লিখিলেও হয় 13 দুটা 13 ৰ পৰা আমি এটাই লিখিম ৰাইট সো আফটাৰ মাল্টিপ্লাইং দিস উইল গেট 182 Now HCF, it is highest common factor. Here we have to write only the common one. What is common here? 13. So HCF for khali ami common to likhim, LCM or common o likhim aru uncommon to likhim. Now this is the half part answer. Now we have to verify it, right? Verification. Verification. So LCM into HCF equal to how much? LCM is 182. So 182 into HCF is how much? 13. So if we multiply 182 into 13, we will get 23236. Again, what is next? Next, product of the two numbers. Next is what? Product of the two numbers. Now what are those two numbers? Here written product of two numbers. Now what are those two numbers? Those two numbers are this one, 26 and 91. এই দুটা নম্বৰ টু কি হ'ব কোশ্চেনত জি দিয়া থাকে হেতুৱে হ'ব those two numbers, whatever number given in the question, there are only those two numbers. So those two numbers are how much? 26 into 91. So if we multiply 26 into 91, we will get 2366, right? So now left hand side, that means LCM into HCF is also 2366. Again, product of two numbers is also 2366. That means what? Both sides of answers are same. That means it is verified. Answer same means it is what? Verified. So answer to same will I say? Same ulale ki hobo itu verified. Hence we can write hence LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers verified. This is the final solution. Now next, Roman number 2 given 510 and 92. First we have to prime factorize it, right? So 510, if we prime factorize it, we'll get, it will goes by 2, right? So 2 5 5s how much? 510. Again 225 will goes by 5, so 551 ja 255. Again 317 ja how much? 51. So again next 92, it will goes by 2, so 2 4 ja 8. This will become 12 to 6 are 12. That means 246 are 92. Again 223 is how much? 46. Now 510 can be written as 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. Next 92 92 can be written as 2 into 2 into 23. Now HCF. Here HCF is 2, right? So HCF means our highest common factor. We have to write only the common one. So what is common here? Only 2 is common. 2 is common, right? Next LCM. LCM here both common and uncommon. We have to write both common and uncommon. So common is only 2. Now rest are what? 5, 3, 17, 2, 23. Here 5, 3, 17, 2, 23. And if we multiply these numbers, we will get 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. This is the LCM. Now verification same as previous one. LCM into HCF equal to how much? What is LCM here? LCM is how much? 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Again HCF is how much here? 2. If we multiply these two numbers, we'll get 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. Next, product of two numbers. Now what product of those two numbers are? This one, 510 and 92. Whatever given in the question, that numbers are only the product of two numbers, right? So question or G dia thakibo hetue product of two numbers hobo. So in question, the product of two numbers are 510 into 92. So if we multiply these two numbers, we will get 46920. Now here LCM into HCF is also 46920. Again product of two numbers is also 46920. That means what? Both sides of answer are same. That means it is verified. Hence LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers, hence verified. So this is the final solution. So in this way we have to solve this. Next Roman number 3 given 3, 3, 6 and 54. 3, 3, 6. We have to factorize it first. It will goes by 2. 2 1s are 2. It is 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. Again 2 8 are 16. 2 4 are 8. 2 4 are 8. 2 2 are 4. Next 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. 3 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Next 54. 54 it will goes by 2 only. It is 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now HCF. So in HCF we have to write only the common one. So what is common here? 2 common and 3 common, right? 2 into 3 it is 6. Understood all of you? Yet kuntu common ase, yet 2 common ase, eta 2 ase, yet eta 3 ase. So kuntu hobo HCF 2 into 3. So LCM we have to write both common and uncommon. First write the common one, 2 into 3. This 2 common, again 3 common. Now what is left? 2 into 2 into 2, 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next 3 into 3. 3 into 3. After multiplying these numbers we'll get 3024. Now verification LCM into HCF. Now how much LCM is? LCM it is how much? LCM is not 6. 3024 into HCF 6. After multiplying we'll get 18144. Next, product of two numbers. And what are those numbers? Those numbers are this one, 336 and 54 into 54. If we multiply this we'll get 18144. So LCM into HCF is also 18144. Again, product of two numbers is also 18144, hence verified. Because left hand side is also equal to right hand side, right? Both the answers are same. Hence HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, hence verified, right? So this here we have to solve this. So this is the final solution. I hope all of you understand it. If you are new in my channel, do subscribe my channel for more updates. So today that's all. Thank you.